All right, 132 points higher for Sensex. It's a flat start for Nifty, and it's going to be a dismal start for Adani Group of stocks. Given what global media in a sense is reporting and indicating about some developments which have happened in US court for Adani Group of companies. Where are those stocks? Let's mark them. Not too many newsmakers. Yesterday, even though it was a holiday in Maharashtra, not too many news points have come from India Inc. per se. From a market standpoint, well, the exit poll outcome is something which had an impact on the GIFT Nifty yesterday, but markets would now wait after having seen how exit poll outcome has been in last couple of elections. They'll wait for Monday. And irrespective of what the outcome is, I mean, if it's an extension of the current mandate, it could be a uptick of 1% for the Nifty. If it's the other way around, it could be a swing of 2% against the Nifty. So I don't think that Maharashtra state election outcome is something which is going to be having a view on what FIs would do, how they should be selling and why they should not be buying. So I don't think that is something which is a market moving event, excepting Monday morning. You will see a market reaction because results will come out on Saturday. First rates, we're starting after a one-day holiday, and it is not a sea of red, but it's a rub of red definitely. For Adani Group of stocks, it's going to be an absolute sea of red. Adani Enterprises, Adani Energy, Adani Green, Adani Transmission, Adani Ports, everything is down 10%. Adani Power down 14%, Adani Energy down 20%, Adani Green down 16.5%, Adani Total, Adani Wilmar. Some of the companies may be affected, some of the businesses may not be affected. I mean, it will all normalize, but for the moment everything is down, which is what is important. Unlike what it appeared yesterday when the GIFT Nifty was trading with a positive bias, most of the large cap heavyweight stocks which really matter are actually not showing any signs of promise. The small cap index, which also showed signs of promise, that is also down. So will this really be a session where the recovery hopes which appeared on Tuesday, will they be dashed? Because money is certainly moving back into FMCG, money is certainly moving back into IT. That means the defensive mind of the market clearly seems to be at play.
Let's check in on UPL as well. They're looking to sell that near about 9% stake in Advanta to Alpha Wave for $250 million. Debt reduction is what they have on their mind. And of course, the rights issue as well. UPL just very mildly in the green, not excited at all. The telecom stocks, of course, are going to be in focus. The Supreme Court has allowed the SENVAT credits on infrastructure duties. Indus Towers 2, wherein Axis Capital has initiated an ad with a target price of 356 rupees. So Dr. Reddy's, the US FDA has issued a Form 483 with 7 observations for their API facility in Bolaram. So look out for that stock. Paytm, of course, we just flagged off for you. Bernstein has upped the target price to now 1,000 from the earlier 750, 821 on that stock, 1% higher. And for Grasim, Birla Opus Paints has raised the capacity to now 866 MLPA. So that's the other stock which is going to be in focus. Other than that, Tata Power, which is partnered with Drug Green to develop a 500 megawatt of clean energy capacity in the country of Bhutan. So look out for that. Aegis Logistics, wherein their arm Vopak Terminals has filed a DRHP. They're looking to raise a good 3,500 crore rupees via IPO. And Godrej Properties, which has bought a 53 acres in Joka with 500 crore rupee revenue potential. So that's the other stock which is going to be in focus. An order win of 47 odd crore rupees actually for BEML as well from Central Coalfields. So look out for that stock too. That's also going to be in focus. And then, yeah, other than that, the big gash, of course, is on the Adani Group names, given that US prosecutors have indicted Gautam Adani on bribery charges. But Kunal,